Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can prevent your subscriber list, your bot user list, from getting flooded with all kinds of inactive leads and how you can get rid of them really easily. It will prevent your subscriber list from reaching your subscriber limit, and this will also allow you to clean up your list really effectively and only end up with active leads and customers. So the thing is with UChat, UChat supports the number of active subscribers. So this is your actual limit. So if you have bought a tier plan from AppSumo or one of the previous LTD plans, you might have a certain limit, right? Along with the monthly subscription plans as well. So let's say that your subscription limit is limited to 5,000 subscribers. In order to prevent the subscriber limit from reaching that actual limit, by default it will take a look at your bot users and their last interaction time. If you are reaching your bot users limit, UChat will automatically clean up the users, so remove the users that have interacted with you the fewest. So if the last interaction time, for example, the oldest one is from 90 plus days, then UChat will automatically remove those bot users for you to prevent you from reaching that subscriber limit. So if you want to get more control on how the bot users will be removed from your chatbot itself, you can actually set this up inside of your chatbot. You can just go towards any kind of channel or the Omni-Channel Chatbot if you have it activated, right? And from here, you will be able to go towards the settings in the lower left corner of the left-hand menu. And in the middle, you will see that you will have the bot users auto cleanup. If the value is set to 0, it means no cleanup. But you can, for example, say, okay, I want to have 90 days. That means if the days is set greater than 0, the bot users will automatically be removed if the last interaction time older than 90 days and also match the conditions if you set up any. So in my case, for my chatbot, I also have a membership called the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator. And I want to prevent that my users, my members, are going to get removed if the last interaction time is less than 90 days in this case. So to prevent this, I've tagged my membership members inside the chatbot with a certain tag. So I'm going to set up a condition and I'm going to say the tag is not in, and I'm going to use this tag. This tag is CMA, which is short for Chatbot Marketing Accelerator, all access members. And the user who is going to get removed cannot have this specific tag as I set it up inside of the condition. So if I press save, now it will state that the bot users will be automatically clean up if the last interaction day is older than 90 days and do not have this specific tag. So this means that I always have a clean subscriber list, right? With active leads and customers. And I also prevent that my members who might be inactive for quite some time due to personal issues or other business priorities, right? But I will still allow them to access the membership at all times inside the chatbot by having this condition set up. So only people who do not have this tag and interacted in the last 90 days will get removed this way. And you can set up multiple conditions if you like to. But if we save this, as you can see, success updated successfully, right? This is the message that you will receive. This means that now the chatbot will do an automatic cleanup. And the cleanup in this case, as I said it, is I'm going to remove users who have not interacted in 90 plus days and who do not have this tag, so they are not a member inside my membership. And this is the way that you can set up automatic cleanup. Keep your bot user contact list really specific and up to date with only active leads and active customers, and get rid of all the inactive users inside your chatbot. It will prevent you from reaching your bot user limit that's being set inside of your plan. And it will also allow you to just keep a structured list at all times. So if you enjoyed this feature highlight video, please consider dropping a like. It will help us reach more users and show the power of UChat to more people. And if you want to be notified about more videos going live, press that subscribe button with the bell notification to the right of it. For now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.